Success. It's a word we hear all the time, but what does it really mean? Many of us see success as a destination, a final goal to reach. But the truth is, success is a journey. It's not about the end point. It's about the steps we take each and every day. Success doesn't come overnight. It's earned through dedication, perseverance, and a willingness to embrace challenges. Every great achievement starts with a vision, a goal, but it's the consistent action, the daily grind, that turns that dream into reality. You'll face setbacks. There will be times when you fall, when it seems like nothing is going your way. But remember, every failure is a lesson. Every challenge is an opportunity to grow stronger. It's not the speed at which you move that matters, it's the direction. Progress may be slow, but as long as you keep moving forward, you are successful. And success isn't just personal. It's also about lifting others, sharing your journey, and inspiring those around you. True success is found in connection, in community, in celebrating the victories, both big and small. So don't chase success as a destination. Live it every day, step by step, action by action. Success is not about where you end up. It's about how far you've come. Keep moving, keep growing, and keep believing in your journey. Keep moving forward. Your journey to success begins now.